When your student practices an assignment, it will show up in your activity feed and on the student's page under practice sessions. Click Review to listen to the students playing with Harmono's interactive practice review tool. In this tutorial, we'll review an example practice session of the first 12 measures from Mozart's Sonata No. 12 in F major, K332. Wrong notes are highlighted in red. Yellow sections mark places where the student stalled or hesitated, and blue areas show where the student rushed. For quick at-a-glance insight, Harmono also computes 2 scores for each session, a pitch accuracy score and a tempo stability score. You can scan through the full performance or jump to a specific measure by clicking it on the score. Everything you need is right at your fingertips to connect with student progress between lessons with Harmono's practice review tool.